didn't finish vlogging yesterday. Yesterday was so busy. Like, I vlogged on the couch and that was it. Like, we ended up having 3 appointments and then had to go see my mother-in-law. So it was a long day. It was a long day. Let me back up, lean like this. But yeah, today we're about to have a fun day. Me and the hubby decided to take today for ourselves, and we found a free museum about 30 minutes from where we live, and we're so excited to go, and I can't wait to show you guys. There's like 2 or 3 museums around each other, and they're free. And then there's like a saloon restaurant, like a really cool saloon restaurant, so we might grab some lunch from there. Super excited. So let's start the day with the Bible study, and let me get my word in, because you can't start the day without God. God makes the day better. God makes everything better. So let's do our Bible study. And I was going to shower this morning, but I'm gonna wait till we get back, only because I'm going to be walking quite a bit. So yeah, so shower and relax when I get home, because your girl want to wash her hair. My sister got me this new shampoo, so I'm gonna try it. It's a clarifying shampoo to help with my dandruff that I've been having really bad. And then I'm gonna exfoliate when I shower, and so that's why I don't want to rush to do it this morning, because I'm gonna do like everything shower, you know. So yeah, I'm super excited. And like, we've been on a museum kick lately. First it was the Neville Museum that you guys saw, and then you guys saw we went to Door County to hit up that museum, and now we're going to Bonduel and hitting up the Classic Car and Motorcycle Museum. Yes, I'm super excited. So anyways, good morning. Let's get to this Bible study, coffee, and then the rest of the day. But yeah, I'm so excited. Hey y'all, we are in the car officially on the way to this car museum. I'm so excited. Last minute, at first we were just gonna randomly drive somewhere, but now we have a destination.
Well, we are randomly driving.
Yeah, I mean, it still is random, but we just have a specific destination now. But super excited. Oh, more turkeys, and they got their tail feathers open.
Man, I couldn't
Over there, I see turkey and deer all the time on the other side of the fence over here.
I think they know they're safe there.
Yeah. Well, that's why we should go to the wildlife sanctuary sometime again.
Yeah.
But yeah, so let's start this drive. I'm not gonna be a chatty Cathy in the car, and let's get to the museum. we have went through the museum part. It's amazing here. If you guys are ever in, is it Shawano? No, Bonduel, Wisconsin. Y'all, this museum is dope and it's free. It's free and it's massive. There's so many different buildings with different things that this gentleman named Doc collected over so many years, and he like created things like this. You guys see, this is made out of motorcycle shields. It looked like a wagon wheel and then a motorcycle tire that makes it go around in a circle. How clever was that? I'm sitting next to a 10-seater motorcycle Harley. It's super long. They're literally using it as a wall partition. How long it is.
10 seaters.
The 10-seater is so long. It's so nice here. You guys definitely should come and check it out because it's nice. But we are sitting in the Timeline Saloon and Barbecue, eating some lunch, and we'll probably head home after this and come back another day. It's free, so we can come back and do the other half that we didn't see this time, which it makes it really nice. But yeah, it's so awesome here, guys. Y'all should definitely check it out. Good morning, guys. How are y'all today? Coming out and doing some gardening stuff today. I need to check soils and I need to crack my garage door open because the humidity is high today. The humidity right now, it was at 60, but now it's at 58%. So I'm trying to get the humidity lower. So I'm going to crack open my garage door. That normally helps with the humidity. But then I'm also going to get to the backyard because it's supposed to rain at some point. So I want to do it now and clear out the old greenhouse I have back there. And I am noticing too some white buildup on some of my leaves, but it could be due to the humidity that's in here and stuff. So I'm going to replant my zucchini because that just needs to be replanted. And I'm going to, like I said, check my soils and stuff and get the day started. So I'm not going to talk too much on the videos. I was just letting you guys know what I'll be doing, and let's get to gardening, shall we? Okay, I left real quick and came back home, even though it seems like I'm in the same spot. But I had to go to Menards and buy more dirt. Because a fun fact that, I'm still learning this gardening stuff, but the soil that I have in my black soil bag back there, I need to treat it basically. So because that's used dirt, and you can still reuse used dirt, but I need to put some nutrition back into it, so to speak. So I bought it's suggested that I buy potting mix, which I bought, and fertilizer, which I already have on my shelf over here. And it says to basically put a mix, half and half dirt, old dirt and this new dirt, and then put a scoop of the fertilizer in there and mix it all up and then put it back in that soil bag that I have over there. So that's what I'm gonna start doing today, but I'm gonna start doing it in grow bags because I need to repot these tomato plants. Okay, I need to I kicked y'all. I need to repot these tomato plants because they're growing really big. And because last season I started putting a few seeds in each hole because some of them wouldn't grow, hence how these aren't growing but these are. There are multiple plants in one seed ball. So what I'm gonna do is cut them out these little pods. Or I could rip the pods actually. Oh wow, you can see the tomato roots. You can't even show you. Oh, you can't tell, but it's already showing the tomato roots coming out through the bags, which is crazy. Let me show y'all. So I need to repot those very quickly. But what I'm gonna do is like cut out the small ones, and I can separate them if I want to. And I'm gonna put these into bigger grow bags because tomatoes, I found out, root kind of like similar to the corn. They have very deep roots. So I'm gonna redo those. Even if that's all I do today, I'm gonna do that. But those are the little projects I'm gonna start today. You guys will probably see a few days clips into each other because whatever I don't get finished today, I'm going to finish either tomorrow or Sunday. So I'll just mesh them together. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that I had ran to Menards real quick in the midst of you guys doing that, and I couldn't film because Menards was so busy today. It was crazy busy. But yeah, let's do some more gardening.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind,